Going to be a mild night as our warm front continues to lift to the north. I'm tracking temperatures only dropping down into the 50s to start off the day tomorrow. Winds start to pick up to around 25 to 30 miles per hour during the day. That should help get us back into the upper 70s to about 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon. We're looking largely dry on the south side of this front, but cloud cover will start to move in ahead of our cold front that moves in by late tomorrow night. Here's what the ABC 17 Storm Track Future Track looks like as you're heading out the door. Might want a light layer to start off, but temperatures quickly start to warm back up as we get towards afternoon. Just a few passing clouds, highs up to about 80 degrees. It's going to be breezy throughout the early evening with showers and storms trying to return later in the night. Here's 10 o'clock. Those storms starting to develop along the warm front and then continue to press east here as we get closer to Thursday morning. We'll stop at 6 a.m. We'll have a chance for a couple thunderstorms, so it could be noisy at times, and we could have some pockets of heavy rain before that front starts to work its way east. The good news is it clears out by afternoon. We're left with a temperature near 70 degrees, but it is going to get chillier for Friday as morning temperatures dip down into the 40s. Good news is with this front moving through quickly, we'll also push off the severe weather risk to the east on Thursday afternoon. So none of mid-Missouri really in any sort of risk for that as I'm tracking a cool down approaching the weekend. We're only going to get up to about 50 degrees on Saturday, so it will be chillier. And then on Sunday, we'll make it up into the upper 50s, but we'll start off the day likely with widespread frost. So low temperatures dipping down to near freezing for much of Sunday morning. So that means we could even have a hard freeze in a couple spots. We'll have to watch that closely for any sensitive plants you might have already planted or have in pots. You want to cover those up or bring them in. Here's what my ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast looks like. It is going to be warmer the next 2 days. That cold front comes through on Thursday morning, bringing that chance for widespread showers and storms. Once that clears, we are left with a cool end to the week with highs in the 60s, and then we'll get even cooler for the weekend, especially by Saturday night.